Hello, today is December 10th, 2021. My name is Daniel Mullany, and behind the camera today is Sean Lingo. Today we'll be filming a video source inspection of a fully refurbished Verteq 1600 spin rinse dryer. This system was sent in by our customer located here in the United States, and their PO number is 5000185590. So I'll go ahead and get the process started and then review as we go. So you can open up the windows or the doors as normal on this system, as I just did. That's how a normal system opens. But with this tool, you can also use the foot panel. So that's a nice upgrade that we provided for this user. Here we have a cassette and substrates, clean and ready to go. So simple as that. Close with the foot. You can open manually, or again, open with the foot. Taking a look here, this cassette and substrate is dry and ready for another run as well. Okay, go ahead and close it. Simple as that. So let's go ahead and start both chambers. All right, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take a look at the back of the system while the rinse process is happening. I want to make sure there's no leaks and everything is draining appropriately. Taking a look at both drain boxes for each head assembly, everything looks good. The drain boxes are segmented to a few different areas, held together by a gasket and a back plate. That gasket was replaced and realigned and looks great. Okay. All right. So everything's successful with the rinse step, no leaks, and a proper flow out of the drain, no problem going down, no backups of any kind. So now we're going into the dry steps. So first we're going to have a high RPM dry one. This is where we're going to ramp up to an 1800 RPM set point, and doing so we're going to physically sling the majority of the water off of the cassette and substrates. Our objective here is to really use high RPM to physically remove the water, so we can later go into a lower RPM and let the drying elements do a finished dry of the substrate surface. That's what has been proven over the years to give optimal drying results in spin rinse dryers. High RPM followed by a low RPM. Okay, so we have 35 seconds left on this one. So in this circumstance, we upgraded the control system for this end user. We took their SRD, we broke it down to the component level like we always do, but in this case, instead of using the older style control panel, we retrofitted into a different frame with a newer control panel, so that way they have supportability and repair options for this SRD moving forward. The older style system is difficult to support, where this newer style system has more supportability. When we were working on this tool, we replaced all the consumables as normal. That would be gaskets, O-rings, door seals, windows, anything that can really wear and tear on the system, that's replaced automatically. And then we're also going to go through and rebuild components such as the motor, valves, and anything else that can be broken down and rebuilt into a like new and warrantyable condition. All of the work that we provide on spin rinse dryers is warranted, and we're able to support that warranty with our spare parts and services. Okay, we had a successful first dry step. We are now moving down to a lower RPM that I mentioned before, in this case 500 RPM, and we have a longer dry time, about 5 minutes. So we still have another 4.5 minute drying on each of these chambers before we're going to have a successful finish at the end. So in addition to providing refurbishments for our customers' Verteq systems, we also have the spare part and service support required for them. Several years ago, Sitek, our company, purchased Verteq, and so we are now the OEM for this product line, and as so have 100% of the spare part and service support for them. That would include services like controller repairs, motor repairs, rotor rebalancing, and spare parts like valves, heater blankets, door seals, windows, and anything else that can fail on the tool. In addition to doing Verteq systems, we also specialize in semi-tool spin rinse dryers. So for semi-tool spin rinse dryers, we also offer the same plethora of services and refurbishments, and we'll also sell systems from our inventory. Those systems, just like the Verteq, are fully remanufactured to like new condition and are backed by our warranty. But we don't stop at spin rinse dryers. We also refurbish and sell a variety of other equipment found in the semiconductor marketplace. That would be box washers, such as the HTC 8000 series, mask cleaners, such as Ultratech and Ultra T, vapor prime ovens, like the YES tools, tabletop metrology, such as 10-core profilometers, 10-core particle counters, nanometrics thin film tools, and a whole variety of tabletop metrology. Barrel ash and etch tools like Branson Systems or Anatech or Technics, or a variety of microscopes. Really, there's a whole variety of equipment that we can sell and support, and that can all be found on our website at www.sitekprocess.com. Okay, everything is looking good here so far. We have 2 more minutes of dry time before this demonstration will be complete. Unfortunately, this is the point where we get to the system and it looks like we're watching paint dry. I've been in many different fabs and worked on SRDs a lot of times, and really you just kind of have to sit around for a minute in between these dries. But we're pretty close there, only 100 more seconds left, and then we'll be able to pull out the both cassettes. We'll inspect them for final dryness, and then we'll be able to conclude this video source inspection. Okay, what we're going to do is do another quick walk around of the system, verify everything's still looking good. Has minimal vibration throughout the runs. We also rebalance rotors and electropolish them during our refurbishments. The full system serial number, or sorry, the model number is Verteq 1600-55, and then the system serial number on this tool is SRD-01405-1. The bottom chamber has the same serial number, but a -2, 01405-2. Okay. Alrighty. While we wait for the last 30 seconds, I want to take a minute to talk about some of the other products and services that we offer that can be useful for you. One of the main ones is custom cassettes. There are many situations out there where our end users are trying to run pretty strange size substrates in cassettes and then subsequently in an SRD. This could be substrates that are extra thick. They could have different geometries, such as a square or a rectangle. They may be round but of a different dimension that doesn't fit a normal cassette. A good example might be like a 90mm round substrate. Oftentimes there might be situations where you're bonding a silicon substrate, let's say to a sapphire or some other type of substrate. When you bond onto it, that can change the outside dimension of your substrate in total. So in those circumstances, we have experience doing custom cassettes for our end users. We can make them out of Teflon, PTFE type materials, PVDF, or other ones, and also provide custom handles for dipping into wet sinks and then running in the SRD. So if that's something that you might need, please give us a call. Okay, so actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to use these foot panels again because they work great. It's a little loud here. That's how these Verteqs work. I pull these out, completely dry and ready for the next step in your process. Okay, opening the top one, completely dry and ready for the next step in your process. So, I'd like to thank you for taking the time to view our video today. Again, my name is Daniel, and this video was filmed for Sitek Process Solutions. To learn more about our products, please visit our website at www.sitekprocess.com or give us a call at 916-797-9000. And to reach me directly, please dial extension 2201. Thank you very much, and have a great day.